Dana Osgood is tracking our weekend forecast. I cannot be the only one who stepped outside today and physically went,
I did that when I went out to get lunch. I was like, I knew it was going to be cooler, but when I walked outside, I was like, it makes a huge difference.
Yes.
And even though it was still a little bit humid here in Portland, just
lingering a little,
a world of difference from earlier this week. And areas of down East Maine, even more comfortable with dew points only in the 50s, upper 40s. Absolutely the place to be today. And they got the most sunshine. We can see that very clearly here on our high temperature chart. Now, our average high temperature is 76 degrees, and we've surpassed that many days this week. But today, we took a step back and got some more normal June-like weather. We got to 74 in Portland today, 81 in Augusta, 82 over in Calais. Down East Maine got the warmest today because they saw the most sunshine. And what a world of difference from yesterday. Temperatures between 5 and 20 degrees colder than they were at this time yesterday, and so much more refreshing too. We had a cold front move from north to south late last night, and you can really kind of see that these dew point temperatures significantly more comfortable than we were yesterday. A lot of us in the upper 40s to lower 50s, a little bit of humidity lingering in areas of western Maine and back into New Hampshire, but still significantly more comfortable than the oppressive dew points we had for most of this week. Now, we did have some more cloud cover because that cold front that went through has become stationary off the coast. So we have some lingering cloud cover in areas of northern and western Maine. Down East Maine, now starting to see some clouds moving in, but got the most sunshine earlier this afternoon. And along with that cold front, we do have a little bit of shower activity up in areas north of Bangor, back towards Greenville and Rangeley, and then a couple of showers in far western Maine and back into New Hampshire. So I talked about how we have that cold front moving through. It's not going to go very far this week. It's really going to kind of linger just offshore, and that's going to give us a lot of instability and a lot of shower activity as we go into the weekend. But an area of high pressure to our north is going to bring down some cooler air from Canada, so it'll be a little bit cool also as we get into the weekend. Another system moves through earlier next week, so we're going to transition into a cooler and more showery pattern, and then it'll get a little bit warmer towards the middle of next week. So late tonight, we'll start to see that shower activity begin to dissipate. However, it's going to pick kind of right back up again after midnight. This is Saturday at 3 in the morning, seeing some showers move through central and western Maine. And then Saturday, we kind of starting to get into this showery pattern. This is Saturday at 9 a.m., seeing a line of showers move into the Augusta and Lewiston areas, back into New Hampshire. And then especially areas of southern and western Maine are going to see the most shower activity throughout the day Saturday. Most of those should be offshore by about 5 to 6 p.m. And then mostly cloudy overnight, and we pick up the showers once again. As we get to right around midnight, we'll see some of those move through central and once again western Maine. However, Sunday, the rest of the state is going to get in on that shower action. In fact, most of areas of northern Maine, I would say really north of Bangor and Augusta, going to see rain probably through most of the day. And then some of those could be strong as well. A lot of heavy rain going through especially areas of northern Maine. And then when that cold front goes through later in the afternoon, this is about 6 p.m., could have some strong embedded thunderstorms in there. So we'll keep a close eye on those on Sunday afternoon, Sunday evening. And then some more shower activity lingers for Monday. Rain forecast sees 2 feet, water 62 degrees, which is a little warmer than it was this weekend, but still very cold. So getting into this weekend, temperatures are going to be much, much lower once again, back down into the upper 60s and lower 70s. Those scattered showers, Brian, are really going to linger, I would say, on Saturday, mostly southern and western Maine, and then Sunday is going to see shower activity for all of us with some thunderstorms too.
We don't want anybody to be left out in the rain. It's good. Everybody gets some of it on Sunday.
I keep saying it'll be refreshing.
Yes, exactly. We'll stick with that. All right, Dana, thank you.